Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix Apple Watch not pairing on your iPhone. Now if you are facing the problem of Apple Watch not pairing on your iPhone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to fix the error of Apple Watch not pairing on your iPhone, then there may be various reasons behind it. The first reason may be that you may are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of device, and the second reason may be that if your device is not updated or your Apple Watch is not updated, or if it is old, then that may also be the reason behind it. So the main reason may be that if you go on your settings and if you click on the option of general and if you click on the option of software update, and here you need to see the software which is available on your device. So if your iOS version is not above 18, then you can't connect it to your Apple Watch. So it also changes according to the Apple Watch you are using. So if you are using Apple Watch second generation, then you need to be above iOS version of 18. So if you are using the Apple Watch below that, like that, or using the Apple Watch 9, 10 series, then you need to make sure that your device is above iOS version 18 to connect it to your device. So after updating it, then you'll be simply able to connect the Apple Watch to your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.